Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. As you may know that the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra didn't come with a factory screen protector. So in this video my husband will do the screen protector installation for my S22 Ultra. The screen protector I'm using is from a company called Newzero. I particularly purchased from this company because I have had good experience from my Fold 2 screen protector, which is still perfectly protecting the screen. By the way, this is not a paid promotion, I'm just sharing my good experience. I purchased the screen protector from Amazon, so if anyone is interested, I will leave the link in the description box. To benefit from this video, please do watch the full vlog. I have kept all the steps and few steps I have sped up just because people don't like watching long videos, but generally you can follow along should you wish to install your own screen protector. I will leave you to watch the video with some written instructions throughout the video. Please do like, comment and support us by subscribing. Thank you so much. final result. After putting the screen protector on, I've left it for a couple of hours to dry, and it's actually perfectly on. As you can see, it looks really nice. You can't even tell there's a screen protector on at all. It feels like glass. As you saw, it's a two-part application screen protector. So you had a middle here, one parting, and then once we applied that, there was some bubbles. The bubbles have gone away. There are tiny little bubbles left, but that will go away, I know, after some usage, and once the phone heats up a little, those bubbles will disappear. And as my husband shown earlier, writing with the S Pen is very smooth as well. In terms of bubbles, there's a tiny little one here and a tiny little one just there, but these will dry up as soon as I start using the phone and the phone heats up. The bubbles will disappear. Other than that, it's been perfect installation and it looks really good. As you can see on the side, you can't actually see the screen protector at all. And I've also got a case, and once I put the case on, it doesn't actually affect the screen protector, so it's not, the case doesn't actually touch the screen protector either, so it won't damage the screen protector in any way. I'll do a video of the case soon, so I'll show how the case looks with the screen protector on another blog as well. Anyway, it looks great. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like, so other like-minded people like yourself can enjoy it. And of course, a subscription to the channel would be much appreciated. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.